Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, and we're going to show you the Genie wall console series 2 model GBWCSL2-BX part number 391165R, featuring the Sherlock security control. Okay, old one, bad, causing problems. Don't know if it was the wire or the pad. So just replace the whole thing. Rather easy install. 2 screws there. Take the unit off. You'll have 2 screws like that. You take those 2 screws off. Red wire on black, white wire on white. It's polarized. I obviously ran a new wire to the machine. There's my little curly Q right there. And it has a light button. Turn the lights on and off. A lock button, turn this on, turn off, and it has a little tiny instructions on how to program remotes. I thought that was kind of neat. Let's put that right back in that little special spot. And that's it, the Genie wall control system installation. 2 screws and a couple of staples and you're golden. And that's how you do it. For all your Genie parts, wall controls, remotes, we got you covered. 630-271-9343, www.unintended.com. Like us on Facebook, we like you. We like you anyway. Here's all my junk Ryobi tools. Even though they call them junk, I love them. I keep buying them. Here's a brand new one. Quiet strike. Very quiet. 50% less noise. It's good for old guys. Anyway, that's the Genie control system. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.